Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Nice to meet you, my kids, my dear parents again. With the end of our term, let's start our new lesson for mathematics subject about grade 3. We are now close to finish our term. I hope to get something useful for you to check some ideas. Let's into our new lesson. Our lesson about final test. This is final test number 1. For the second term, 2026. If you're ready, let's go, my cat. Okay. Now let's start our new lesson for mathematics. Let's check something about your term. Your exam, inshallah, will be 2 objects. First one, choice. Second one, say problems. Both of them, inshallah, will be easy for you. First part of our lesson about multiple choice. We get some questions about multiple choice. You should read a question carefully before choose. Yeah, read question carefully before choose. Okay, let's start our first question. How that divided? Like what? Share. Put something equally. This is mean divide. In our class, we have some problems about adding, subtracting, multiplication, or even division. Yes. This one about what? About division. We need to divide what? We need to divide 24 objects. This object in our question is, candles. So we need to divide 24 candles equally among 3 children. It's easy for you to divide 24 by 3 equals, you should check your table. Yes, it will be good. It will be 8. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. We studied the fact family of numbers 2 times and the division. So 24 divided by 3 equals 8. 24 divided by 8 equals 3, and so on. Why? Because 3 times 8 equals 24. So our choice is what? Is 3. Yes. So our answer is correct. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. Next one. How many quarters in one whole? How many photos in one whole? How many quarters in one whole? If we have one pizza, if we divide it into 4 equal parts, this is called what? Quarters of whole. So one whole equals, as we got before, one whole equals 2 halves, 3/3, 4/4, 5/5, and so on. In our example, we have what? We have fourths or quarters. They are what? 4. Yes. Next one, equivalent fraction. How to get equivalent fraction? It's easy for you. My advice for you, you should times both terms by the same number or divide both terms by the same number. That means what? 2 and 5 are what? Are terms of the fraction. Numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator, the 2 parts of the fraction. 2, the upper number is called numerator. Numerator. Okay. What about 5? 5 is called denominator. If we times 2 and 5 by the same number, we will get an equivalent fraction to 2/5. Let's check. Times both terms by 2, we will get what? We will get 4/10. Yes, 2 times 2, it will be 4. 5 times 2, it will be 10. So the right answer is what? 4/10. 4/10 is equivalent to what? 2/5. Let's travel to the next one. Yeah, this is called what? Good expanded form of a standard form. 42,143 is called the standard form of a number, while 3 and 40 and 100 and 2,000 and 40,000. Okay, 40,000. Yeah, so this number is 40,000. Yes. This is called what? Expanded form. This is the right answer of it. We missed it 2,000. Yes, we missed it 2,000. So the right answer 40,000, 2,143. A square has a side of 4 centimeters. We should know a square is a polygon with what? With 4 equal sides. The 4 sides of a square are the same in length. So you should check how to get its perimeter and how to get its area. The perimeter of any polygon mean what? Sum of sides. That's mean what? 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Or it's easy to say 4 times 6 for the perimeter. What about the area? It's easy to get the area of any polygon by know the formula. The area of a square equals side times side, or side times itself. Okay, you will get to care this what? Area, but this one, the perimeter. Why? 4 times 6, it will be 24. So the perimeter of a square, 4 times 6. 4y, 4 sides. Each one equals 6 centimeters. That means 4 times 6, it will be 24 centimeters. You should remember, centimeters is a unit for perimeter, length, width, and so on. But square centimeters for area. Next problem about rectangle. A rectangle has length 10 meters and width 3 meters. Find what? Find its perimeter. So the perimeter of a rectangle equals L plus W plus W, or 2L and 2W. 2 length and 2 width, or 2 times the sum of length and width. You are free to get any formula of these three ones. Okay? So 10 and 3 and 10 and 3 equals 26. So we have two numbers to make something not clear for you. This what? This is area 3 times 10, but it will be square. But I give you two numbers to make in a messy. What happened? Which number? I told you before, the perimeter was meters, while the area was square meters. So this is right answer. 3, 10, 3, 10. This is what? One formula of getting the perimeter of a rectangle. 2 times length and width. Why 2? Because we have 2 length and 2 width. Next one, 3/8. Less what? 3/8 less 1/8? No, why no? We have same denominator. Same denominator, does it mean what? The greater numerator is a greater fraction. So 3/8, not less 1/8, not less 3/8, not less 2/8. In this case, the right answer is what? Is 5/8. 3/8 is less than 5/8. Next one, 11/15 minus 7/15. 11/15 minus 7/15. Okay, in this case, don't touch the denominator. Don't touch it. So just subtract what? Subtract the numerators. That means what? 11 minus 7 equals 4. We have two 4s. Which one is right? 4/15 or 4/13? Yes, 4/15. This is to make you in a messy. Okay, don't touch denominators. Like what we have 11 bucks, cancel 7 bucks. The left, it will be what? It will be 4 bucks. Next, the fraction representing the shaded part of the shape. What is this? We have two parts. One of them is green. So 1 of 2 is green. That's mean what? That's mean 1/2. 1/2. Next, Amira has 4 bags. Okay, with 5 bucks in each. So how many bucks does Amira have? That's mean what? Times, add, subtract, or divide. And you will get 5 minus 4, it will be 1. But that is not right. We have 4 bags. This means we repeat for one bag, and another one. 4 bags beside each other. In each one, 5 bucks. That means we have 5 and 5 and 5 and 5. That means we have 4 5s. It's what? It's multiplication. That means what? 4 times 5, it will be 20. You should know the idea of any problems to get the suitable process. Times, divide, add, or even subtract. Next one, I ask you to get what? The third of the number. The third of the number 12. What's meant by half divided by 2, third divided by 3, fourth divided by 4, and so on. When I ask you to get the 10th of a number, that means you should divide this number by 10. In our example, third of the number, that means divide this number by 3. 12 divided by 3 equals, yes, equals 4. Why? Because 3 times 4 equals 12. So the right answer is what? Is 4. Okay, next one, we have what? We have division. What divided by 8 equals 4? I can change my thinking. 4 times 8 equals what? Yeah? Yes. So the suitable number is what? Is 32. 32 divided by 8 equals 4. Next, 36 divided by 9. 36 divided by 9. Yes, look at table 9. What times 9? It will be 36. Yes, it will be what? 4. 4 times 9 equals 36. 36 divided by 9 equals 4. So this is right answer. Next, if the price of a pen is 6 pounds, what is the price of 4 pens? That means what? We repeated 6 4 times. Okay? 6 pens, each one 4, or 4 pens, each one 6. Okay? You repeated the 6 4 times or repeated 4 6 times. Same meaning. That means what? Your operation is multiplication. So 6 times 4 equals 24. A rectangle with length 6 centimeters and width what? And width 2 centimeters. We got this solutions many times before. If you have a rectangle, the 2 dimensions is 6 and 2. How to get area? How to get perimeter? Perimeter equals 6 and 2 and 6 and 2, or 2 times 6 plus 2 times 2, or 2 times sum of 6 and 2. Sum of 6 and 2 equals 8. 2 times 8 equals, yes, 16 centimeters, or 16 meters, or 16 any unit. This is a famous formula of getting the perimeter of a rectangle. Yes, don't forget it. 2 times length and width. Muhammad wants to distribute. Muhammad wants to distribute. Muhammad wants to divide. Muhammad wants to share. This is meaning what? This is meaning division. Okay. So Muhammad wants to divide 18 by 3. It is the meaning of this problem. You should get the idea of the question before answering. If you know the idea, you know everything about your problem. The first step, read the question carefully. Try to get the idea about adding, subtracting, times, or even division. So how many does each get? So I need to get what? How many orange for each friend? Okay. So let's divide 18 by 3. 18 by 3 in division equals 6. That means what? If I give you 3 numbers, 3, 6, and 8, when I ask you to write fact family about these numbers, you can say 3 times 6 equals 18, 6 times 3 equals 18, 18 divided by 6 equals 3, and so on. Yeah. The value of the digit 6 in this number. This number, if you read it, you will get the value of 6. This number is called standard form of it. It's easy to read it. 4,609. I said what? 600. So the value of 6 is what? Is 600. Can you tell me its place? Yes, it's hundreds. So the place of 6 is hundreds, and its value 600. And next one, 5 people, 5 students, 5 friends. Okay, share a piece of land equally, a piece of cake, a piece of pie. Okay, what is each person share? That means if we have a pizza, if we have a pie, and we are 5 students, we are 5 friends, we divide it equally. Can you tell me the fraction that represents the share of each one? Yes, it will be what? Yeah, good. It will be fifth. 1 out 5. Fifth. 1/5. Dua has what? 12 pounds. Dua gave third of this 12 pounds, okay, to her brother. How much did she give? She gave third of 12. Can you tell me the third of 12? How to get third of 12? Yes, I can get third of 12 by division. 12 divided by 3 equals, yes, equals 4. So the share of her brother is what? Is 4. 1/4, 1/4, it is smaller than, is less than what? Fourth less than fourth, not right, so we should cancel choice A. 1/4 less 1/5, no, let's cancel choice C. 1/4 less 1/7, no. So the right answer here is what? 1/4 is less than 1/3. 3 times 10. Let's use what? Distributive property. Distributive property means that let's split. As we split 10 into 5 times 2. So the missing number is what? Is 3. Yes, good. 3. Okay. A square with a perimeter. Can you tell me how to get the perimeter of a square? Yeah, we can get the perimeter of a square by times its side by 4. So the perimeter is 36. Which number? If you times it by 4, you will get 36. Or let's divide 36 by 4. The answer will be what? Will be 9. 36 divided by 4. Why? We divide by 4 because a square has 4 equal sides. 2/7 plus 4/7. Take care. We got this idea before. Don't add denominators. Just add what? Numerators or subtract them if the question about subtracting. So 2/7 and 4/7, it will be what? It will be 6/7. Take care. This is not right. We can't add or subtract denominators. Just we add or subtract numerators. So the right answer is 1. Okay? Just add what? Add numerators or subtract them. Next one, if 16 count objects is divided. Yes, it's easy now. Okay? In fourths, in quarters. Okay? So each quarter equals, let's divide 16 by 4. Let's put 16 in 4 baskets. Okay? If we have 16 students and we have 4 desks, can you tell me how many students in each desk? Yeah, this is the meaning of this problem. Okay? Into fourths, it will be 8. Into halves, 16, 2, and 4. If we divide 16 into halves, we will get 8. Into 8, we will get 2. Into quarters, we will get 4. Mariam colored the 4/10 in yellow and the 3/10 in blue. Can you tell me the total color? Yeah, we can add 4/10 and 3/10. We will get what? 7/10, not 7/20. No, this is not right. Don't add numerators. Now 4/10 plus 3/10 equals 7/10. A rectangle with perimeter. So what's meant by the perimeter? The perimeter is double of length and width. Okay? The last formula of getting a perimeter of a rectangle is what? 2 times the length and width. So half of 12 is length and width. Double of length and the width is called the perimeter. So 12 is what? Is double of length and width. What about length and width? Divide 12 by 2. So if we divide 12 by 2, we'll get length and width. 12 by 2 equals 6. Okay? So the right answer is 6. No. 6 is what? Is sum of length and width. This number is what? Is not a length. It's a sum of length and width. Okay? So length and width equals 6. Width equals 2. So the length equals 4. By another way, we have 2 sides. Each one is 2. So 2 width equals 4. 2 width and 2 length equals 12. 2 length 4, 2 width 8. 2 length 4, 2 width 4, 2 length 8. So 2 length is 8. What about 1 length? Okay, 2 length are 8. So 1 length is 4. Distributive property again. 8 times 7 equals 8 times 5 and what? 5 and what equals 7, 5 and 2. Okay. Which fraction equals 1/2? 1/2 equals what? 1/2 equals 2/4, 3/6, 4/8, and so on. 3 times 6 to 4, 6 times 4. Which expression represents what? 5 by 9. That means we repeat 9 5 times, or we repeat 5 9 times, and so on. So this is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what? 5 nines. This is the right answer. Tariq drank 21 cups in a week. How many per day? Oh, let's check. What's meant by a week? A week means 7 days. Yes, a week means 7 days. So 21 divided by 7, good, we will get 3. That means we drank 3 cups a day. How many fifths in one whole? How many halves in one? It's easy. How many fifths in one whole? 5 fifths. 35 divided by 7. Yes, 5. The fraction represents the shaded part. How many parts? 1, 2, 3. One of them is green, so the fraction is what? 1/3. A triangle divided into 3 equal parts. One of them is shaded, so this is 1/3. Afama divided 24 oranges into what? Into 3 baskets. 24 divided by 3 equals, yes, equals 8. We got it before. 8 times what? 24? 8 times 3. Hoda has 12 bags of candy. Hoda wants to distribute, to divide, to share, to put them equally among 3 of her friends. Okay, so the share of each one is 4. 81 divided by 9 equals table 9. Yes. 37 is smaller than 37. No. 39. No. 38. No. Smaller than 36. Why? Same denominator, the smaller, same numerator, the smaller denominator is the smaller fraction. No, it's the bigger fraction. If we have same numerators, the smaller denominator is the greater fraction. But if we have same denominators, the bigger numerator, the bigger fraction. Square with area 36 square centimeters. Find what? Care. Find the perimeter. Find perimeter. So, how to get perimeter? Yes, we should know the length. We should know the side. Okay, so 36 area, side is what? Size is 6. Don't choose 6. 6 is a side, but we don't need a side. We need what? The perimeter. So, first step, S equals 6 centimeters. Side equals 6 centimeters. So, if we know the side, it's easy, we know the perimeter. Now, 6 times 4, it will be 24. Good. We finish our first part of the lesson. This is multiple choice. Now, let's travel to essay problems. First one, Iman used 3/5 meters for dress and 1/5 meters for headband. Find total of them. Easy. 3/5 and 1/5. Easy. 3/5 and 1/5. It will be 4/5. Let's choose the model answer. Yes, 4/5. By what? By adding. Omnia put a cake with what? With 8 pieces. 8 parts of the cake. So each part is called, yes, is called. You can draw a cake and divide it into 2 equal parts. So each part is called what? Each part is called 8. 1/8. Hiba saved 54 pounds. Okay, you should know she saves 9 a day. How many days? This is what the idea of the problem, not a complete problem. It's an idea. Total money 54. So we save by a day 9. So how many days do we need to save 54 pounds if we save 9 a day? This is one. Division. 54 divided by 9, it will be 6. So we need 6 days. A box chocolate has 50 pieces. Pass him 5 pieces. He wanted to share the left equally. Okay. Total 50. Cancel 5 for pass him. So the left is what is 50 minus 5. It will be 45. 45 divided again by what? By 5 to get the share of each one. That is what? It will be 9. Yes. 1/3 of 21, that's mean 21 divided by 3 to get 7. 3/9 plus 4/9 equals, yes, good, 7/9. Which is heavier? Half of a gram or half of kilo? Heavier. Heavier. Sometimes I ask you, which is lighter? Which is heavier? Which is lighter? Half of a gram or half of a kilogram? The heavier, which is heavier, gram or kilo? Kilo is heavier, so half of kilo is heavier than half of a gram. Why? Because a kilo is heavier than a gram. Again, subtracting 6/7 minus 3/7. Easy for you now. 3/7. If I divide the 32 into 4 baskets, it's easy. That means 32 divided by 4 equals 8. This is the answer, but you should write it. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. A rectangle has the length of 8 meters, 8 centimeters, 8 in a unit, and the width. So L equals 8, W equals 4. How to get the perimeter, how to get the area? Easy for you now. You should know the formula. Perimeter equals 2 times 8 plus 4. Sum of 8 and 4, 12. 2 times 12 equals 24. Don't forget this formula. 2 times length and width. Nadir 8 for 7 of a cake. Okay. Divide a number into 7th. Okay. And circle the fraction. This is what relative to a fraction. Fraction, I can ask you to some problems about fraction. What is the fraction of shaded part? Equivalent fractions. Add or subtract fractions, and so on. Okay. We can represent fractions by models. This model may be circle, may be rectangle, may be square, or even be a number line. Okay, maybe a number line. 7/4. We can draw circle, divide circle into 7 equal parts. Color 4. We can draw a line, start with 0, end with 1. We divided this line into 7 equal parts, color 4 parts, and shade them. Which is longer, half a math lesson or half a dish? A math lesson about 45 minutes. Or if you have a period, it will be 1 hour and a half. That's mean what? 90 minutes. But half of a day equals what? Yeah, 12 hours. So which is bigger, 12 hours or 1.5 hours? That's mean this is which is longer. Yeah, it's easy to get. Half a day is longer than half a math lesson. Half a day. Mona and Huda have a pizza. Mona ate 5/8. Huda ate 3/8. Who ate more? Who ate more? Mona or Huda? Let's see what compare between 5/8 and the 3/8. Which is bigger? Yeah, 5/8. 5/8 is what? Yes, is Mona share. 6 cars. 4 tires each. If we have 6 cars, you can count how many tires of each car. There are 4. So total number of tires, yes. So this is not a complete problem. This is what the main idea of it. 6 times 4, it will be 24. Easy. 18 divided by 6, 3. Write equivalent fraction to what? To 1/3. But in this case, the denominator is what? Is 6. 1/3 by using a fraction rule. 1/3 equals 2/6. 1/3 equals 2/6. Which is greater? Which is longer? Which is bigger? Compare between fractions. Which is greater, have the weight of an orange or half of the weight of a lemon? Lemon and orange. Which is greater, orange or lemon? Orange. So directly half of orange greater than half of a lemon. Sarah distribute shared by 28 pencils. Okay. Each friends get what? Get 7 pencils. So, sorry, 7 pencils. If you know the idea of this problem, can you tell me the idea? Yes, the idea is what? Is division. Arrange in a descending order. What's meant by descending? That's mean from the most to the least, from the greatest to the smallest, up to down. That's mean downstairs. We have 3/13. This is biggest one. Why? It's 1. 3/13, 9/13, and the 5/13. So this means from the greater to the smaller. Which one is the greatest? Yeah, this is 1, 9/13, 5/13, and 3/13. Yes. A library has 11 shelves. Each shelf has 9 books. Can you get 11 shelves, 9 books in each one? Good. Your answer is right. Estimating, that means this is a number is 99 from the first term, and 99 is closer to 100. Magid bought 9 cats. Yeah, 9 cats. That means 1 cat of 9. 1 cat out 9 represent what? Which fraction? Let's check your answer. That's right, 1/9. Reem has 120 pounds. She bought 2 cinema tickets. Each cost 40 pounds. This number is what? About adding, subtracting 120 pounds. 2 cinema tickets. Each cost what? Each cost 40 for each ticket. 40 what? 40 pounds. So 2 tickets cost 80 pounds. But we have what? We have 120. 120 minus 80. It will be what? It will be 40. The tickets cost us 40 pounds. We have 2 tickets. 2 tickets mean what? 80 pounds. 120 total minus 80 equals, yes, 40. Why 80? Because we have 2 tickets. A square has a perimeter 24. Find what? Find the length side. Length of its side or side length. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. So the right answer is 6. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. A paired cage. How many cage? 4. How many pairs in each cage? 6. Easy. I give you the numbers. Okay, but the problem is bigger than if we have, or if you travel to a forest, you watch 4 bird cages and you see in each one 6 pairs. Can you tell me the total number of the pairs? Yes, it's easy. This is what? Multiplication. Multiplication. I give you the idea, not the full problems. Let's get the number 6 baskets. Each basket 3 white eggs and 4 white eggs. Okay. 6 basket. Each basket contain what? 3 white and 5 red. You should think. Total number of eggs with Maria. How many eggs in each basket? Yes, there are 8. There are 8 eggs. How many baskets? Yeah, 6 baskets. So now how many eggs? Good. 48. 48. Okay. Why 48? Because 6 times 8 equals 48. A square has side lengths 8. Find the perimeter. Easy, easy. 4 times 8, easy. Half of 16. Half of 16 equals 16 divided by 2. Find half of 16. That means 16 divided by 2 equals 8. Ramiz bought 9 boxes of colors. Okay. He paid 72 pounds. Can you tell me the price of each box? How many boxes? 9. Total number 72. So 72 divided by 9 equals, equals 8. You can see all these problems about numbers, about fraction. Okay? In your assessment book, you will get some problems like them. You should check all of them. By the end of my lesson, I hope to get a fun time with me by studying mathematics for second term of academic year 2026 for grade 3. See you later, inshallah, with a new revision for mathematics final test. Goodbye, my kids. Goodbye, my parents. Assalamu alaikum.